This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Stunning 3-story no-fee condo at Chic Beach. Right open floor plan, first floor bedroom suite, second floor living area with gas fireplace, eat-in kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances bar, and 2 balconies. One facing the bay and one plumbed with gas for grilling. Third floor with 2 bedrooms, including primary, both with ensuite bathrooms. Primary suite with cathedral ceilings and a deck with gorgeous view of the beach. Many updates, including a new dishwasher July 2023, new GFCI outlets for all outdoor receptacles June 2023, roof repairs January 2023, new washing machine March 2024, new air conditioner and furnace for 3rd floor April 2022, new toilet in 1st floor bath, powder room, and master bath December 2021, new hot water heater July 2021, backyard fence June 2021, privacy screens on back decks June 2021, and the exterior trim painted June 2021. Located in the heart of Chic Beach, minutes from restaurants, bars, naval base, and beach access. For more information, review the details below.